Catbird. Okay, so we are playing Catbird. I've never ever played this game. It's just a game I saw on the Google Play Store, and I had to download it because it looked fun, especially for the YouTube channel. So let's touch to start. It's all pixely too. I like pixely. Okay, so like music. There's music. I want that playing. Copyright issues. But oh my lord, what's going on? That's sad. No, that's a trapezoid stratosphere, mesosphere, just something or other. Jesus Christ. Our Catbird, I think that's what it is. Is going on to Cat Planet? Question mark. Hello world. Okay, so this is our jump. Oh my god, we're like Yoshi. Can we double jump? Nah, fam. Okay. And then, okay. Awesome sauce. Awesome. So cool. Okay. Anyway. Is that the whole level? That was level 1? Okay, so if you hold, like I was discovering. Cool. Okay. So hold. Uh-oh. Oh no, Catbird. No Catbird. How in the world am I supposed to get there? Like that. Okay. Oh my god, key? What? Key? Okay. Making progress. I want to get this crown really bad. Yes, I got it. Okay. Boom. Bada bing, bada boom. We did it. I guess we gotta push these. Okay. Oh, so that's as far as we can push them. Okay, well. Okay. We unlocked that. I'm assuming, though, we probably want to get this one, right? I mean, right? Wouldn't you say? No. I don't think we actually do, now that I think about it. Now, I'm going to push this over here just to see if we need it. Because we might. Oh, we are. Oh. That's cool. Okay. Boom. Bada bing, bada boom, bada. Holy Lord Jesus, there's spikes galore. Ah. Okay, I'm assuming I have to push this. Uh-oh. Okay. I pushed it. Am I supposed to go this way? Clearly. Hope that's still pressed down. Okay, so right here. Bada bing, bada boom, bada. We did it. Okay, so this level's called Up and Down. Okay, made it. I didn't make it. Clearly we gotta come over here. Bada bing, bada boom, bada. Clearly this is something. I mean, you can't hide this from me. I 106%ed Super Meat Boy. You can't hide secrets from me. Says the guy that in a previous video got like lost because he couldn't find the secret. That is cool. Oh, you're supposed to keep going. Oh, no. Oh, that makes sense. Okay. Actually, it doesn't. Go. Ah, Catbird is not. Ah, Catbird. I feel so bad. I keep killing this man. I got 5 deaths. That's what that's saying. No, I had it. Ah, 6 deaths. Okay, we made it. Go. Whoa. So we just keep on jumping. Hold down. There's the key, but what's over here, you may ask? Well, it's one of them crown things. Oh, but now you gotta get out. Man, did I just die? I was on a roll. I was on a roll. Okay. I don't know if it could, nope, you gotta go get everything again. There we go. Okay, that was some full-on concentration right there. Oh, you can't go back this way. You have to go back this way. And that's why your flutter comes in handy. No, you stupid cat bird! I don't care about Googling names. Ugh. Okay, we can do this. Final try for the video. I want to get that crown too, and the crown's probably one of the hardest parts. Okay, we have successfully made the note. Okay, guys. I'm gonna make a clip cut when I get the crown. Okay, I got the crown and the stuff. Now time to go into the portal. So that was what across the keys in the previous clip. That's what it was. Oh my lord. That's not horrifying. Okay. Boom. Bada bing, bada boom, bobby. I don't care. Next. No. 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 Hey, it worked out. Okay. How in the world? I don't understand how you're supposed to get that. Okay. Bring me up. Oh my god, checkpoint. What checkpoint? Another one of this stupid stuff. No! Oh my god, we got a checkpoint. I forgot. No, you stupid thing. I thought I was on a roll. Man, I was on the carousel, man, and I was doing good on it. Ugh. Right there. Perfect time. Nope. Okay, so I don't care. I don't care. Hey, sorry about that. I may have clicked off the screen. But we're going to continue. So, right here, we're going to continue this. I failed miserably. It's up, 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 jump down. Please just jump down when I tell you. Don't land on a stupid rock. Please. Like that. Perfect. Oh God, so perfect. Couldn't have been better. Now, how in the world do you get this? Oh my god. No, dude, no. Do you seriously gotta go through this whole thing again? Okay. So, I know the timings. Like, that was almost perfect, but I gotta do it a little bit later. Like, right about as that saw blade's, like, right there. That's when I gotta jump. That's when I gotta jump, okay. Okay. I didn't get it. I know that jump's possible. Clearly is. They wouldn't put it there if it wasn't. Okay. See, once you get the timings down, then you're good to go. Perfect. Finally. That took ages, man. Ages. Okay. Can I, like, step on this thing and then, like... Oh. Okay, perfect. Yeah! I did it. I did it, people. I don't care. I did it. Holy. Oh, I get it. Oh, you're supposed to go up like this. Probably before it goes back up. Because I'm assuming it does go back up at a time and place, right? I mean, it has to, right? Wait, what? No, dude. Everything has a purpose, doesn't it? Okay. No. I swear it probably does go back up and it'll probably kill me. Probably. But I don't actually know, so I can't for sure say that. But anyway, this level's really fun. No. Up, up. Nope. Up, 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 up. No. Up. Nope. Up, up. No. No. I forgot I have a flutter. Dude. I forgot I'm a cat bird. Do. Perfect. Forgot I had a flutter. Oh my Lord Jesus. Okay. That was all for a crown. Oh, boom. Bada bing, bada boom, baby. Okay. Holy moly, we got enemies now. Holy man, this game is getting actually difficult. I mean, it's getting there. It's getting there. It's getting quite difficulty. That was so much skill right there. Why did you just... there's no way I'm going to be able to replicate that. Like, I can tell you for years. Okay. It's probably actually not that hard, and I'm just, like, being a baby about it. Go round. Oh, yeah, it's not that hard. Okay, boom. Bada bing, bada boom, babe. Yeah. Okay. How many times have we died in total? I don't care. Sorry about that. But I had to close this app. No. Thank you. We've died 30 times. Okay. Home menu. Home menu. Okay, so we have done that many levels. How many are there? We've done that many. Wait a minute. There's only that many? Heck, guys, we might be able to beat this. Like, let's try. Let's try to beat this whole entire thing today. Okay. So this way. Okay, got that. And then that's the end. Okay. Oh, so you have to go back that way somehow. Boom, 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 boom. Bada bing, bada boom, babe. Okay. This one looks tricky. Dang, this game is getting difficult. Like, really difficult. Could you potentially just keep running there? I don't think you actually can. You might be able to. I just slipped past him like a machine. Oh my lord, they stand on you? Not actually what they're doing, but sorry people. Not trying to cough during the Let's Play. I just am sick. Okay. No, I almost had it. Okay, right there, hide. Okay, now jump over both of them at the same time. Jump and fall right there. Well, technically you weren't falling, but it was somewhat close to it, so I mean right there will be good, and boom! Bada boom, bada bing, bada. Okay. So not the way you're supposed to do this. I don't think I know how you're supposed to do it right. Like this. Get his attention. Get his attention. Get his attention. Boom. Jesus Christ. Holy mackerel, man. I don't care. We're back. Okay. Bring this down. Bring this down. No, you stupid thing! Bring that down. Bring that down. God, I almost had it, man. See, I could have just stayed on that one, been perfectly fine. Okay. So, we can do this. We're going to do this. I'm pretty sure this is probably like the last level, being so the difficulty has definitely ranked up. Why did I do that? Okay. Come here. Come here. Perfect, 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 perfect. Now we go for this one. Get up here. Get around here. And then what's going to happen is we're going to go around the town, you see. Yeah, clearly we need to come over here first. Just set that right there. Perfect. Now, see, I was smart pickle there. But wouldn't have done that, then we would have been dead. Now we can go through. Drop down. We're going to be very cautious. And we get a checkpoint. That was midway. I just ran through that like a boss. No cares in the world. Okay. Boom. That was very fast. The second half went way faster. The Crusher, this is, oh my god, it's still in the same world. Oh, this is the boss, probably. You gonna come over here for me? Easy. Easy, man. Boom. Crusher is now dead. And that means we completed World 1. Oh no. Oh no. Oh! Jesus Christ, man. You getting like blasted off that planet. Catbird. Catbird is going into what looks like Animal Crossing cat. Animal Crossing Cat Planet. Animal Crossing Cat Planet. Okay, guys, I'm going to leave this episode here. As you can see, we officially completed, probably not the right button. Oh, that's just show the thing again. Skip it. So we have officially completed Marta. 100%, but we did not get all of the crowns. We got 5 out of 8. I will probably go back in my own time to get all the crowns, but right now we have completed Marta. Zipsa. Why is that already a thing? I haven't unlocked it yet. But yeah, so like, comment, subscribe, enjoy.